What's up, everyone? We're back to do another video, but not on the Duramax today. We're going to be doing one on the Boslla LED bulb. Sorry if I'm killing it, but they're actually one of a kind. They are 4-in-1, so you get your white 65K, warm white 43K, yeah, 4300, and yellow 3000. And you also get warning flashes. So I'm pretty sure once we get into it, we'll read it. I kind of erased the bulb size, but here's the packaging. It's actually really nice. So we'll have to go through the instructions and see about that. Just installation tips, special stuff. Come on. Then you got your decoder and everything and how to turn it on. So if you're on a pause, you can look at that. But it should be pretty straightforward. Not really worried about it, but the only thing I'm worried about is we're doing it in the Yukon. So we're working on 2009 Yukon, and I heard it's a pain. Okay, so I had to go get my flashlight, and it is kind of dumb because they put this flap here, which the bulb is down there, and I have to take all these bolts off in the bumper to get them off. And the passenger side's even worse because you got the airbox in the way. So we have to take all this off, which looks like it's that bolt and those bolts. And I might do it tonight, but we'll see. Okay, so this is a new night. They're actually a good, real quality headlight. It looks like it even has like a little beacon and a little fan. That's kind of cool. But here's it goes the amber and the white. So this is kind of a pain headlight to work on, but yours might be a little easier. But all we're gonna do is put it in and we'll test them out. But they look actually pretty good. They're kind of cool. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth. Oh yeah, holy cow, they're really bright. You can't even tell the regular one's on. A lot better than the old halogens. Cool, we'll have to test out that's the 43K. That's the amber. That's just the white. Okay, cool. That's awesome. We'll have to try out the flicker thing in just a minute. Well, we got them in. It was kind of a pain, but definitely worth it. Holy crap. That's me kind of cool. Let me go see if I can change them real quick. Okay, so we are installed them, and obviously I gotta adjust them, but it's like super bright, way brighter than the other ones were. But there's a 43,000 or whatever color. Here's the straight amber, and then back to white. I gotta figure out the whole, let's see if I can, I don't know, I'll figure that out too. But it actually, and the cool thing is it doesn't change colors. I always thought it was gonna change colors when you did the brights, but it doesn't. So that's kind of cool. But actually they are actually pretty cool. I don't know, I've been saying cool a lot, but my wife's like been super excited about this. So she's been wanting lights forever, and these are perfect. And I will tell you on below, I'll attach where you can get these from. And I don't know, holy cow, it just lights up the road. It's really nice. I can see everywhere now. The other ones you could barely see anything. It just like, you know, I don't know why this year of Yukon didn't come with LEDs, but Yeah, I know the newer ones do, but it looks pretty good. I'm excited. Very, very impressed by these lights for sure. So here are the lights. They showing you just the package again. World's first 4 LED bulb. It just tells you what size they are. And it's actually really, really good, cool packaging. So yeah, if you want to go check these out, I'll put down the link below. Sorry, it's kind of dirty, but yeah, looks that's all she wrote. Thanks for watching.